Hey guys, it's Gabby Concepcion. You know what's a total hassle? Getting out of your car to open your gate, especially when it's raining. Alam mo naman dito sa Pilipinas, parating umuulan. Or when you're just too tired after a long day. Well, when I was surfing online, let me tell you, I found the perfect fix. It's called Intellitech Systems, and they automate your gates so they open with a remote. And it also has an app just in case you lose your keys or the sensors and you can't find it. So it's easy, it's safe, and honestly, it just feels cool. So I got mine done. So if you're still opening your gate manually in 2025, bro, it's time to upgrade. Okay, so hit up Intellitech Systems. They're safe, reliable, and they know their stuff. So trust me, once you go automated, you'll never go manual again.